Okay. We did this also. Nrupam manyana swapnepi na samupasmahe. So the Kavi says that he will not even approach kings who think of themselves as kings. Oh, we did this also. Dillishwara padavidambanamapi तादृशेषु अन्यतमम् अवगत्य क्षणेनैव तत्सम्बन्धसूत्रं त्रोटयित्वा रसिकान्तरं कमपि वीरम् अन्विष्यन् दक्षिणां दिशं प्रथितोऽस्मि. So he decided, the king, the Kavi, the poet, was talking to the Adhyaksha, the Shiva Mandira Adhyaksha, and he was saying that he was unhappy with the Delhi Sultan, and so he decided to find another great brave person and started traveling towards the south. So he heard about the Kirti, Shivavira Kirtihi cha Shravam Shravam Karnayoho Akrishtaha iva Itaha Samayataha Asmi. So I have come here being pulled by the fame of Shivavira. So Tena Alapantam. Now Shivavira, what did he do? He realized that this was a Kavi who was disappointed with the Sultan, and he has come to the south looking for himself. So Nija Didriksham Atra Agatam Uri Kritya Tena Alapantam Shivamandiradhyaksham Pranamya. He does a namaskaram to that adhyaksha or the administrator. You can say administrator, you can also say he is probably the Shivacharya who is there. So pranamya baddhanjalihi agantukam api kutaha shriman iti sadaram samaprichat. He also asked the guest who had come there, the Kavi, where have you come from? Shivavirastu tena saha chiram alapya. Shivavira spoke with him for a long time. Tasya vrittantam avastham prakritim cha avagatya. Knowing his vrittantam, story, avastha, his state, and prakriti, and nature. See, even though he may have so even though he has heard it from behind the screen, now he wants to hear it from the Kavi himself. So he asks the Kavi, and he is talking to the Kavi and asking him about his story, his avastha, state, and prakriti, his nature also. Chiraya Shrut Avagatya, having known this, Chiraya Shrutacharam Bhushana Kavihi iti Abhidhanam cha Urari Kritya. He also Urari Kritya, he Nischitya, he established or he determined that the name of this Kavi is Bhushana Kavi. Bhushana iti tasya nama sahacha Kavihi iti Shrutacharam. Shrutacharam, usually charat is a pratyaya that is added to indicate indicate bhutakala. So Shrutacharaha, Prasiddhaha. He has been, so Shivavira knew about him for a long time here. So Shrutacharam Bhushana Kavihi iti Abhidhanam. This is the, having decided that he had the name which was very famous, namely Bhushana Kavi. Iti Urari Kritya Nischitya Shvaha Drashta Bhavan Shivarajaha iti Abhidaya Bhavan Bhavan Drashta Shvaha Shivarajam iti Abhidaya Prayaha. So Shvaha Bhavan Shivarajam Drashta. So you will see Shivaraja tomorrow. So here Drashta is in Lutlakara iti Abhidaya. So Drakshyasi ityarthe. So Bhavan Drakshyati Shivarajam. So iti Abhidaya. Saying this, Nyavartishta, he returned. So this Shivaviraha, he came back after telling that Bhushana Kavi that definitely you will see him tomorrow, don't worry. So Nivartamanascha tenapi ko bhavan iti prishtaha etadeshiyaha kopi viraha asmi iti udati tarat. Shivaraja also was asked, Nivartamanaha, as he was returning, Tenapi, Tena Bhushana Kavina, Prishtaha, Prishtaha sanna, Ko Bhavan iti Prishtaha. एतद्देशीयः कोऽपि वीरः अस्मि. I am just a warrior who belongs to this desha. Iti Udatitarat he replied in this manner. So Uttaramadat, which means that is lung lakara. Udatitarat. Illa. Udatitarat is lung lakara. Yes. Correct. Pratareva cha nitya niyamana nirvartya स्व इष्टजनसहितः सभासंस्थ एव स्वभृत्येन भूषणकविम् आकारयत्. So प्रातः एव in the morning itself, Shivaraja nitya niyamana nirvartya, he finished his work, daily work, whatever is nitya karma yadyad vartate tat sarvam nirvartya, having finished it, Swa Ishtajana Sahitaha, along with his Ishtajana, along with people whom he likes, Sabha Samsthaha eva, in his darbar, Swa Bhrityena, asking through his servant, he Akarayat, he called for Bhushanakavi. So he called Bhushanakavi through his servant. Swa Bhrityena Bhushanakavim Akarayat. Kaha Shivaviraha eva atra. So you have to continue there. सह तु बद्धमहोष्णीशः पादाग्रपर्यन्त विलम्बमान कंचुकः नारिकेल फलसार सहितं यज्ञोपवीतयुगलं हस्ते आदधानः द्वारपालदर्शितेन पथा सभां प्रविश्य विजयतां महाराजः इति सिंहगर्जनम् अवधीरयता स्वरेण उच्चैः उच्चार्य स्व उपहारं महाराजहस्ते अर्पयत्. सः तु बद्ध महा उष्णीशः महान्तम् उष्णीशं सः तेन बद्धः वर्तते. So there is a he is tying a big turban on his head here. So mahan ushneesham nanekre. Yes, it is napunsakalinga here. Okay. So baddham mahat ushneesham yena. So the Bhushana Kavi, he wore a great big turban here because he's dressing up to see the king here. Padagra paryanta vilambamana kanchukaha. His outer coat, kanchuka here is like not an armor but outer shirt, or a kind of a waistcoat kind of thing, which will be long here. Padagra paryanta vilambamana kanchukaha. His kanchuka, his coat was vilambamana, hanging until the edge of his feet. Narikela phalasara sahitam sahitam yajnopavita yugalam haste adadhanaha. He was carrying in his hand Yajnopavita Yugalam. He was carrying two Yajnopavita, two and the Punal Rikal. So Yajnopavitam, he was carrying it in his hand, and along with Narikela Palasya Sarena. So he was also carrying the saram of I think it is the Narikelam along with its saram.
Is it dry coconut, that copra?
No, it's not dry coconut. Not without saram, with saram.
Shell removed? That
no, Elanir. It's like the coconut water.
Tender coconut.
Tender coconut. Yes, that's what it is.
இப்ப நம்ம சாமிக்குலாமே கொண்டு போறதுனாக்க குலுக்கி பார்த்துட்டு full water-ஆ இருக்கான்னு பார்த்துட்டு எடுத்துட்டு போவோம்ல, அத வந்து ராஜா.
That's how it should be. So you are giving it to the king, so it has to be with water, no? Because it is a show of respect. So narikela phalam sara sahitam, sarena sahitam phalam, okay, along with yajnopavita yugalam haste adadanaha, in his hand. Dwarapala darshitena patha sabham pravishya, he entered into the sabha through the path that was shown by the dwarapala, by the doorkeeper. Okay, so dwarapalena darshitena patha sabham pravishya vijayatam maharaja, victory be to the maharaja, or may the raja be victorious. Iti simha garjanam avadhirayata swarena uchaihi ucharya, he proclaimed, ucharya, he spoke, uchaihi, in a loud voice, loudly, with a sound, swaraha, which is avadhirayat avadhirayata, the swaram which is putting down the sound of the roar of an lion. So simha garjanam api avadhirayata swarena uchchaihi uchcharya. So he spoke loudly, uchchaihi uchcharya, with a sound, swaram, which put down or which excelled the roar of a simha. Swa upaharam maharaja haste arpayat. He presented his gift in the hands of the maharaja. Okay.
The Shruta Charam, the Shruta itself is already Bhutakalam, the Pratyaya, and one more Charam is also there on top.
அந்த சரட்டுக்கு வந்து there is a meaning, no, for that pratyaya. Bhutapurve charat, it was already known. Some shruta purva iti arthe, no? Shruta charaha.
He has heard about him before itself.
Before itself. Okay. Nirdishtasthane upavishya cha sayeva ayam purvadrishtaha viraha iti nirikshya. Now this Bhushana Kavi understands that it was Shivaraja who came yesterday in the disguise of a warrior. So nirdishtasthane upavishya, he sat down in the place that was shown to him. Upavishya cha sayeva ayam purvadrishtaha viraha. Purvadrishtaha viraha saha eva ayam sabhayam simhasane sthitaha maharajaha. Iti tasya manasi niti nirikshya, he noticed that this is the same person whom he saw yesterday, the same warrior whom he saw yesterday. Iti nirikshya, having noticed that, what did he say? Vijayatam dharmodharana dhiraha sapatna utsarana samiraha viraha maharajaha iti udirya cha kinchit smayamanasya maharajasya mukham avalokayan tat prashamsayam svanutana rachita veerarasamayim kavitam eva apatat. Hold on. So nirdishtasthane, okay, vijayatam dharmodharana veeraha iti kavitam ekam apatat. Sorry, kavitam ekam apatat. Vijayatam dharmodharana dhiraha, dharma uddharana dhiraha, yaha dhiraha vartate, atra Shivarajaha eva varnyate khalu. So maharajaha veeraha, you are a great brave raja who is a dhira, who is very steadfast in uddharanam, in bringing up the dharma, which is or nilainattuvadum, in establishing dharma. So sapatna utsarana samiraha, you are like a wind who is capable of utsarana, removing or blowing away the enemies here. So sapatna utsarana samiraha veeraha maharajaha iti udirya. Having said thus, kinchit smayamanasya maharajasya mukham avalokayan, looking at the face of the Raja who was slightly smiling. Tat prashamsayam svanutana rachita veerarasamayim kavitam ekam apatat. He also read out one kavita, a verse, which was filled with veerarasa, and it was nutana rachitam, it was written newly composed poetry, which was on which அப்படியே அந்த வீரரசம் சட்ட இருந்தது அப்படிங்கறோம் இல்லையா. Maharajastu
Hot and fresh out of the stove.
Mama. So it was just fresh, and it was also dripping with that veerarasa. So Maharajastu sadhu sadhu iti vyahritya punaha padhitum agnyaptavan. The Raja also said sadhu sadhu. He liked it and said, oh, very good. Again, read it again. Iti agnyaptavan. So punaha padhitum agnyaptavan. He ordered him to read it again. Padhitavati cha tasmin. When Bhushana Kavi had read that, sarveshu prasanneshu punaha api adishat ityevam vimshati varam tena saha vraja bhasha mayi kavitva kavitva kama namika vrittihi apati. Okay. Padhitavati cha tasmin, when the Kavi had read this, Sarveshu Prasanneshu, when everybody were happy about it, again he ordered him, Punarapi Adishate, he again ordered him, in the sense, again ordered him to read, Punarapi Padhitum Adishate eva tatra. So, Ityevam Vimshati Varam, in this manner, he read the whole poem for about 20 times. Okay? So, Vimshati Varam, Vrajabhashamayi. So Vrajabhasha is actually the bhasha in which Tulsidas has written Ramayana, right? So Tena, by the Bhushana Kavina, Vimshati Varam Tena Saha okay. So Saha is Shivaviraha, Punaha api Adishat. Patitavati tasmin Kavau. When that Bhushana Kavi had read the whole thing, everybody were happy. Sarveshu Prasanneshu Satsu. Because everybody else were also happy. Punaha api Saha Shivaviraha Adishat. He again asked him to read. Ityevam Vimshati Varam. 20 times Tena Kavina Saha Shivaviraha, Saha Vrittihi Apati. Okay. Vrajabhashamayi Vrittihi Apati. That verse was Sa iti bhavitavyam. Happa. See? Sa Vrajabhashamayi Kavitva Kama Namika Vrittihi Apati. So that vritti or that verse which was called Kavitva Kama Namika, which had the name Kavitva Kama or Kavitta iti apabhramshataya loke prasiddha vartate sa vrittihi. So Kavitta, Kavitvam, Kavitva Kamanamika. Kamanamika can mean an Ishtanama. Or you can take it as Kavitva Kama iti eva nama tatra vartate tasya vrittehe. So the Vrajabhashamayi vritti, the vritti or the vritti is a style. The style of Vrajabhasha, which was called Kavitta. He spoke or he recited the poem in a vritti which was written in Vrajabhasha, and the vritti had the name of Kavitta Kama. Okay.
He could have written it in Marathi and then he would not been asked to read it 20 times because it was in Vrajabhasha.
He didn't understand. You completed the whole point of the Bidiye ninga vandu keduthutel. Sarveshu prasanneshu sadhu sadhu, where did all this go? It is not because he didn't understand. He understood it and it was also beautiful. He wanted everybody. See, sometimes 5 words you will understand 3 words. Contextually you will get the other 2 words. Then slowly after 20 times you read, automatically you will understand the rasam also behind as you read more and more. The first time vanduradu, no? And I think the vrittihi here he refers to as chandas. Okay, so it was in a chandas called Kavitta abdingra, or style called Kavitta. Maharajena cha tasmai gajanam vimshatihi Vimshati Varam Patitam iti Karanat Gajanam Vimshatihi Datta. So he read it 20 times, right? So Gajanam Vimshatihi Vitirna iti Adyapi Prasiddham Kavita Rasikanam Mandale. In the Mandalam, or in the assembly of those people who are connoisseurs of poetry, Kavita Rasikana Mandale, among the assemblage of Rasikas, it is still Prasiddham, Adyapi Prasiddham Vartate. It is still famous that the king, Maharajena, by the king, Tasmai Gajanam Vimshatihi Vitirna, 20 elephants were distributed to him. Iti Adyapi Prasiddham. Tadevacha dinam arabhya, from that day, तेन भूषणकविः स्वसभायां संस्थापितः. तेन महाराजेन भूषणकvi was संस्थापितः. He was established in that in his sabha. Okay. So with this section is over. I think this this lesson is over.